As you guys can see, it's inside but doesn't move anywhere. Can spin it all the way, doesn't do anything. So as you can see, still there, it doesn't move.